Danny, and welcome to my channel, The Innovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Today, I'm in Senoia, Georgia. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. My brother and I had just visited our older brother in North Georgia. On our way back home, we are now meeting up with our next to the oldest brother at this restaurant known as Nick and Norman's. This place is owned by Greg Nicotero and Norman Reedus. Greg Nicotero worked as a special makeup effects supervisor, co-executive producer, and an occasional director for AMC series The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead started in 2010 and ran until 2022. This photo shows the shark from the movie Jaws 2 that Nicotero purchased, restored, and donated to the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures in Hollywood. The other owner of this fine restaurant is Norman Reedus. He played the part of Daryl Dixon in The Walking Dead. He is now starring in a spin-off called The Walking Dead Daryl Dixon. And he has an AMC show named Ride with Norman Reedus. He is an avid motorcyclist. Here's what we ordered. The branded hamburger was a nice touch. Nick and Norman's has great service and great food. Let's walk through downtown Senoia. This place is very picturesque. Embedded in the sidewalks are these movie plaques. They remind us of the great movies that were once filmed in this great town, like Fried Green Tomatoes, Driving Miss Daisy, and of course, my favorite, The Walking Dead. Let's explore the Walking Dead Museum. As we enter the museum, here's some of the magazines that starred Norman Reedus on its cover. There are a lot of screen-used weapons and props on display from The Walking Dead. Here's some of the clothes that were worn by the actors. This t-shirt displays Senoia's movie locations of the Walking Dead series, the town of Woodbury and the safe zone known as Alexandria. Hopefully Negan won't clobber us with his barbed wire baseball bat. On this wall are some signed prints. In this case, there's a lot of collectible memorabilia. Whatever you do, don't open that door. There's some zombies back there. Hey Carol, I hope you don't mind us looking around. Here's a couple of zombies locked up in this jail cell. They don't prefer bread and water, just meat. Miss Michonne, she don't play around. Here's Norman Reedus's leather jacket from The Walking Dead. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. The Walking Dead gift store has anything Walking Dead that you would desire. T-shirts, coffee mugs. There's Sheriff Rick Grimes' hat. There's Daryl Dixon with his famous crossbow. There's some bobbleheads. And you can even have some Walking Dead socks. If you're in Senoia, the Walking Dead Museum is a must-see. Senoia is a chill town, very laid back. Just ask this cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. He agrees. The Senoia water tower can be seen in the Woodbury episodes of The Walking Dead. Documenting my Senoia adventure was a last-minute thing, but I was privileged to be able to go into the old Mason Lodge. This building belonged to one of the villains of The Walking Dead, the Governor, and this was his office. The Season 3, Episode 8 of The Walking Dead was filmed here. It was originally titled Liars and Lairs, but was changed to Made to Suffer. can't believe that I'm upstairs at the governor's office. There's Nick and Norman's right across the street. And we're looking out at the once town of Woodbury. And here's a look out the back window. Here's a thank you letter for the use of the lodge for the Walking Dead episode. These gates were screen used in The Walking Dead at an area known as Alexandria, and was later known as Outpost 22. Located just steps away from the Commonwealth Gate is a screen-used grain silo that was once located in Alexandria. And located behind the grain silo is a memorial of some of the fictitious Walking Dead citizens of Alexandria who have died. With Senoia's water tower in the background, this housing area was enclosed on one side by a giant zombie-resistant fence. This housing area was known as Alexandria, and in later episodes was known as Outpost 22. A lot of these homes can be seen in the series The Walking Dead. Now we're going to head a little out of town to another movie location. This home is known as the Pudding House. It was used in Season 4, Episode 9 of The Walking Dead. Carl, Rick Grimes' son, took himself a break from the zombie apocalypse and ate a can of chocolate pudding on the roof. The last movie location that I want to show y'all in the Senoia area is here. In Season 3, Episode 15, which was called The Sorrowful Life, Merle Dixon, played by Michael Rooker from the Guardians of the Galaxy movies, meets an untimely death. He then turns into a zombie. Daryl Dixon, his brother, has to put him down. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video here in Senoia, Georgia area and places where The Walking Dead were filmed. Please subscribe, give me that big thumbs up, hit those bell notifications, and remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. And I'll see y'all the next time.